Come to Club Awesome Toastmasters on August 25th in person in Coral Springs or online via Zoom to learn from Jim and Chris Guld, who turned public speaking skills into a business that allowed them to travel widely, teaching smartphone technologies and other technologies for travelers. Hey, this is David Carr. I'm the VP of Public Relations at Club Awesome Toastmasters in Coral Springs, Florida. And with me are the fabulous Geeks on Tour, who will be coming to visit. So you can see them in person in Coral Springs at the Panthers Ice Den. You can also see them online. If you want to get up early in the morning, getting up early on a Friday morning is something that is required for participation at Club Awesome Toastmasters. But these guys know all about it because they also participate in a club that starts meetings at 7 a.m. in the morning. So it's a great way to start your day. But
it really is. I hate getting up, and I am always glad I did.
Every time we're glad. It's worth it.
Well, tell the folks something about Geeks on Tour and what they stand to learn by attending this special program.
Well, we teach technology for travelers, smartphone photography, basic smartphone skills, and our specialty is Google Photos. We've been in the computer training and support field since the 80s and 90s. And then we just keep on going. And now it used to be Excel and WordPerfect, and now it's all smartphone stuff.
Yeah.
All right.
And we have a Sunday regular streaming video that we do. It's called What Does This Button Do? We do it on Sundays live, Sundays at 2 p.m. Eastern time. And we have 260 some of those episodes.
Yeah, not every Sunday, but when we do it, it's on Sunday afternoon.
At 2.
Well, but that's one way you reach out to the world, but the other way is by traveling around the world. Tell us about the on tour part of Geeks on Tour and how that happened.
Okay, in 2003, we sold our house here in Fort Lauderdale and took to the road in an RV. And we traveled around the country giving tutorial seminars, educational seminars on technology to computer clubs and RV rallies all around the country. We visited all of the lower 48s in this RV. We were on the road for 14 years.
And that's when we met you, and you ended up writing an article about us. And the main line I'll never forget is you talked about how we told a story of having to do some computer job, and there was no internet in this particular campground. Well, we figured out a way around it. And you said, for the Geeks on Tour, that was just a normal day at the office.
Things do go wrong.
Whether online or in person, this speaking brings people back to their website where people can learn how to get access to Chris's great library of tutorials or buy her book on Google Photos. Just like we want you to come to our website and sign up for this workshop, which is free. You can join by Zoom from anywhere in the world or come in person in Coral Springs and get breakfast.